Hey guys, this is Ethan with Denmark here. On this video, we're going to look at a overview of collaboration itself. So what we're going to look at is first, here I'm at my Colleagues tab. So here's kind of our main screen for collaboration. Here is the search or dial a number bar. From here, I can make a phone call by entering a 10-digit number, pressing enter. And as you can see now, I have an active call on my window. So from here, I can call a 10-digit number or I can call an extension number. This next icon here is our active device. As you can see right now, I'm using the web, which is why I have the picture of a headset. Or I can select my Android audio here for my cell phone app. So now if I was to make a phone call, I can hit call, and it would actually send that call out through my cell phone app. If you had a desk phone, you would actually see another option here, and you can select that desk phone and you would see the picture of your desk phone here instead of the Android. This first icon here is our colleagues. The colleagues is all of the users that are on your phone system. So here I have ours in departments. So you can see the admin, the default, and IT support. You can edit these colleagues by clicking the drop down and go to edit colleagues. And here I noticed that Brody was not in IT support. So I'll scroll down to IT support. I'll put a check by Brody's name. Hit the check mark, and then when I go back to IT support, there's Brody. The next icon is our function keys. The function keys are similar to the colleague, but the function keys are completely customizable by you. So whenever we change our function keys, it changes your function keys not only here, but it does also on your cell phone app or on your desk phone, all at the same time. If you would like to see how to make, remove, or move your function keys, you can check out our other video on our webpage. The next icon is chat. The chat is pretty self-explanatory. So from here I can see I have a chat open with Daniel and with Andrew. From here, I can message them back and forth, and it would pop up on their collaboration screen. If I wanted to open up a new chat, I can go to either my colleague or function key tab, go to the user that I'd like to open, and click chat. Now I have a chat window open with Ethan. The next icon is our phone book. By default, the phone book will have a list of every user on the system and their extension number. From here, if you wanted to add a new entry, you click add, select the phone book, and from here you can put in their title, their name, number, all their information. That way whenever you save it, anyone could look for that entry by dialing that person's name here in the search bar. The next icon is our call history. And as you can see here, I've just made some test calls to Denmark, so it shows up in our call history. The next icon is voicemail. Here, for our demo account, I don't have any voicemails, but if we did, you would be able to delete these voicemails here, or you can actually see who called, when they called, and hit download here, and you would be able to actually listen to that message through your computer. The next icon is our settings. From here, we can change our function keys, change our personal information, or change how our phones ring. The next thing that we want to talk about is the presence. As you can see here, if we go back to our function keys, we can see how Daniel is set to away and Lisa is set to off work. If I wanted to set a status, I can click on my initials, and I have the option to make it available, away, or do not disturb. If I select one of those three, now when they see my extension, it'll show up, do not disturb. But Lisa's says off work. So she set a custom status. So if I wanted to go here, I can click on my initials again, go to advanced, and I will put mine in away, and then say off work. Click OK. Now everyone will see that I'm away and I am off work.